Hi everybody. In this video, we will learn about the scanner class which is used to read input from the keyboard. We'll understand how to create a scanner object and how to use different scanner methods such as next int, next float, next and next line. By the end of this session, you will be able to write Java programs that accept different types of user input. Let's begin by looking at the program. If you see this import java util.scanner, the scanner class belongs to the package util, which is under the package Java. Therefore, before using the scanner, we must import it. This is the built-in Java class. Okay. And in the previous video, I have shown you how to create a Java program using the Eclipse editor. Now I will just explain you about the program. So if we forget to import this package, the compiler will generate an error stating that the scanner class cannot be resolved. So you must import before using the built-in class scanner. Okay. So here in this program, as you know, within this class scanner example, you have the public static void main string aux method. Within this method, I have the coding to demonstrate you about the scanner object methods to get different types of inputs. Okay. Here I have declared int A, float B, character C, and string S. So these are all the different data type and different A, B, C, S and all different variables having different data types. So for using the scanner method, you must use this statement. Scanner is the built-in Java class. SC is the variable, that is the object. Okay. So usually you can use the class using the object. You have to create the object. And then class is like a template. From that template, you can get so many copies. You have to create one object using the method called this keyword called new. New creates a new object and the scanner is the constructor. The system in is nothing but it tells Java that the input will come from the keyboard. So scanner can read from file also. So through keyboard, you are going to get the input. So we have to give system.in. This S should be the capital letter. Okay. And the class by convention in Java, you will be using for built-in classes starts with capital letter and the methods will start with small letter and followed by the words will be in caps. Okay, this we have to know. This is the basic convention in Java. So we have now created the object. Through the object, we can use the methods which is available under this class. So the scanner class will have so many methods called this next int, okay, and next float, and next line. These are all the different methods available under scanner class. To use those methods, you must create one object. Okay. So now I am going to get each. Now this A is nothing but integer data type. So I must use next int, which is the method that reads an integer entered by the user. Next method is next float, which reads a floating point number. And if you see, next char is not the method available under Java. So instead, sc.next actually reads a word as a string. The method character at 0 extract the first character from that string. So to read a character through the scanner means you must use like this. Okay. Using the next method, it actually gets a word. If you are typing some bat, so first letter B alone will be assigned to this C. Okay. and why this sc.nextLine means. This is one of the most important concept for the beginners. Okay, why I have given this line means when the methods like next line or next int or next float reads a value that actually leaves the new line character generated by pressing enter in the input buffer. So if we immediately call this method, it reads this leftover new line instead of waiting for the user to type a sentence. So therefore, we use this line to clear the input buffer before reading the actual string. Now, we read the string s equal to sc.nextLine. So unlike next method, this reads a next method which reads only one word. This next line reads the entire line. On sentence, you can, including spaces, you can get through the next line. Okay. So at last, I have in the console to print all the values. I have given on system.out.println method. So you have entered this /n is the new line character it inserts. A equal to within double quotes as such it prints. Plus is the concatenation used. Okay, plus A means the value of A will be printed over here. Once again, plus this is another string. To concatenate two strings, you can use this plus. Okay, once again, a new line is inserted and B equal to using the concatenate statement. This B I didn't include in the double quotes. Why? If you include in double quotes means it will print. To print the value, you must not give within the double quotes. Okay, just the what's the stored in B, that will be stored over here. Okay. So like this, I have printed all the values. Okay. Now I will run the program. Watch my previous video, how to run. This is the console, you will see. So first A is what's the data type? Integer data type. Next is float. Some 6.7 I am giving. Then character, let it be some cap letter P. Then string, let it be Java program. Okay. Then the whole, whatever you have entered a new line I have inserted, A equal to that A value I have printed. Once again inserted new line, B equal to B value has printed, C equal to P and S equal to Java program. Okay. So in this video, we learned how to use the scanner class to read different data types. In the next session, we'll use scanner class together with some conditional statements and how to create a Java program. Thanks for watching. Thank you.